In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect eBay in Printify. By the end, you'll have your Printify account linked to eBay so you can publish products and start selling seamlessly. Before we begin, make sure you can log into both your Printify and eBay accounts and keep an eye out for any browser pop-ups, since you may need to authorize the connection. Start by opening your Printify dashboard. Once you're signed in, look to the left side panel. This is where you manage your stores and sales channels. Find your store name in that panel and click it to open your store options. If you manage multiple stores, double check you're selecting the one you want to connect to eBay. Next, click Manage My Stores. This takes you to a page that lists all of your Printify stores and their current connections. Here, look for the Connect option and click it. That will open the selection screen where you can choose a sales channel. On the sales channel selection page, you'll see a variety of platforms you can connect to. Find eBay and click it. This will open the connection flow specifically for eBay, guiding you step by step. You'll now see a page labeled Step 1, Create Your Store. Since you already have a Printify store ready to go, choose the option that says, I want to use an existing Printify store. This tells Printify which store you're pairing with eBay. After selecting that, click Connect to continue. You'll move into the Connect Your eBay Store section. Here, select I have an eBay account. This confirms you're using your existing eBay credentials. Then click Continue to proceed to the authorization stage. At this point, you can connect your eBay account by entering your eBay details in the secure sign-in window. If a pop-up appears, allow it and sign into eBay as you normally would. You may be asked to grant Printify permission to create and manage listings on your behalf. Review the permissions and confirm to complete the link. If you don't see the window, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. Once authorized, you'll be brought back to Printify and your store should show as connected to eBay. If the status doesn't update immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. From here, you're ready to publish products to eBay directly from Printify. Be sure to review your listing details, shipping settings, and pricing in both platforms to ensure a smooth launch. That's it. Your Printify store is now connected to eBay and ready to go.